important event to celebrate. To be honest, taking up a scuba diving was by far one of the most important events in my life. I have never been very keen on sport before, especially as far as water sports were concerned. But once I tried scuba diving, I completely changed my attitude towards an active ways of life. I had not been familiar with the equipment that professional divers use either until one holiday in Nha Trang when my father came up with the idea of taking a course in scuba diving. It was last summer when my whole family celebrated my parents' wedding anniversary in Nha Trang. As the weather was unbearably hot, we wanted to travel to places with breathtaking beaches, sunshine, and delicious seafood. While we were walking alongside the beach, my father suggested I experience scuba diving with the hope that I could be more physically and mentally able to confront the university entrance examination. Even though the feeling of immersing myself in the fresh water was so gratifying, I also wanted to share with my family and my friends. Although the event is not an achievement or something like that, it pushed me out of my comfort zone and motivated me to overcome my inner fears. Given the chance, I wish my girlfriends had been there that day to celebrate that with me. It was a bit frightened at the beginning, as I found out that such a version of with the physical strength and stamina as me would have to push not a tank on, but also a weight belt. But as this turned out, it was not that intimidating at all. Contrary to what I had really thought, I found myself in cool water where I could breathe freely as well as move easily. The only thing I could tell anyone who did not know whether to do something or not is, do not hesitate and try, because it might become an important event in your life. Just like it was in my case.